CSCO stock analysis price predictions from Monday, the 11th of August. Is it a buy or not? Watch this brief, short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Especially looking at Cisco Systems, this is like such a great pump that I kind of missed, honestly, because it freaking sucks. Should have been here way earlier, but having done well over 45,000 videos, 5 years of experience, I'm the only guy in the space that's done this amount of freaking volume and showed and documented everything. Cisco was fine, you know, it was great. I mean, now I'm just pissed off because I could have made more. At this time, it was 2 months ago, only got 39 views, which sucks, but I called it out like to the dot, and here's the proof. It was sitting at a decent 63 bucks. I was looking for 66 delivery. Not only did we freaking reach that, went for a second time as well. And then the only thing that I'm looking to further do is position myself in a long. Am I going to do that randomly? Absolutely freaking not. So what I'll care about is if the price corrects and gives rules. If it just picks up and starts doing all sorts of BS, then yeah, so be it. You know, I'm not gonna run after the trade, but that's how it's currently looking like for me. And I do have a lot of receipts, 3 receipts in the Discord as well. So stay tuned, and if you want to get free sauce and emails, click the first link in the description. Plus, you get stock picks.